Warm, earthy, and powerful, ginger tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a centuries-old remedy backed by science, known to soothe digestion, strengthen immunity, and promote vibrant, glowing skin. Whether you're starting your day or winding down at night, 1 cup of this golden tonic can transform your wellness routine. The science behind ginger is truly fascinating. It reduces bloating and nausea, boosts immunity, clears skin, and supports detox and soothes joints and cramps. To prepare ginger tea, start by slicing 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Simmer it in 1½ cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain and pour it into a cup. You can add lemon, honey, or even a pinch of cayenne if you like. For the best results, here are a few tips and tricks. First, always use fresh ginger. It makes a significant difference in flavor and potency. Next, try to drink your ginger tea in the morning. It's a great way to kickstart your day, and aim to have it 4 to 5 times per week to really reap the benefits. Simple, soothing, powerful, ginger tea supports digestion, immunity, and beauty from within. Add it to your routine, and discover how one small habit can make a big difference.